Hi, I'm Carl, and I came in here to check out the options of what QC Kinetix could do for me. I was faced with a second knee replacement surgery, and after doing the first one, I just couldn't get myself in a frame of mind to do it for all the work you have to do, even though it turned out okay. So I decided to go ahead and do the QC Kinetix, and I have completed the process, and I am very happy with it. It's totally relieved the pain. Once in a while, I would get a little tweak in there, and certain days it might be slightly sore. And so I called them, and it had been 3 months since I did my last treatment, and they decided it'd be beneficial to come up and do another treatment, which they did, and they took care of, and hopefully that'll get me finished to get me 100% out of pain. But I can't emphasize enough how well it has worked for me. I'm very pleased with it.